Welcome to Bear Armory. Today we will talk about a self-defense traumatic pistol, which outwardly reproduces the Stechkin automatic pistol. The Izhevsk gun factory produces this weapon in 9mm caliber and comes with 2 magazines with a capacity of 10 rounds. The dual-action firing mechanism allows for self-loading firing. The automatic reloading is carried out by the movement of the free bolt under the action of the reactive force. The second method of firing is accompanied by pre-cocking of the trigger. The trigger must be pulled in order to fire the shot. A Stechkin traumatic pistol, in most cases, is purchased as a model or copy of a real weapon and has a display value rather than as a means of self-defense. The fact is that the large dimensions of the pistol do not allow it to be carried concealed. At 255mm in length and 1,200 grams in weight, this gun can hardly be called compact. Muzzle energy is 91 joules and projectile velocity is 1500 fps, but target range is only 8 meters. The price of this weapon is $750 on average.
What interesting and unusual guns do you remember? Do you know? Be sure to share your opinions in the comments. If you like this video, please click on the like button. You can support me by teasing about my stuff. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the bell button not to miss any new videos and be updated on the latest news. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks to everyone. Bye bye.